want to solve or problems that you want to give, you offer a solution to, so that you'll be at the right time, at the right place, and be relevant.
Average time the people spending on mobile phones, 2 hours and 48 minutes. It is only just mobile phones. I'm not talking about laptop, I'm talking about other devices.
And what's even more interesting is 40% of all the total Google searches made on your mobile devices is looking for places.
So Google Analytics can give you all those information and how you can improve your mobile sites.
So technology is in our everyday life in business.
That's all from the Google Entrepreneurs Week event.
If your customers are satisfied with what you do with them in social media, they become loyal or repeat customers, which will mean
the challenge really is in action first. It's for women to think more like men and for men to think more like women.
With like a big kitchen. We have the biggest kitchens